What is undue influence, and why does it come up so often in will and trust disputes? In simple terms, it's about whether someone was pressured into decisions they didn't truly make. This question usually comes up after a surprise. A will changes suddenly, a trust favors one person unexpectedly, or long-standing plans no longer make sense. So let's talk about what undue influence actually means and how Texas law looks at it. So what is undue influence? It happens when someone uses pressure, control, or manipulation to overpower another person's free will. The result is a will or trust that reflects someone else's wishes, not the person who signed it. This isn't about persuasion, it's about domination. So how does undue influence actually show up? It often involves a vulnerable person, someone who's elderly, ill, dependent, or isolated, and a person in a position of trust who controls access, information, or decisions. This influence usually happens quietly, not dramatically. Another important question is this: how do courts decide whether undue influence occurred? Courts look at patterns, not just one moment. Things like changes in behavior, sudden document revisions, dependence, and who benefited from the change. These cases are fact-intensive and evidence-driven. Undue influence cases are difficult. The person affected is often no longer here to explain. Evidence can be subtle, and family emotions run high. That's why these disputes often turn into litigation. Undue influence isn't about hurt feelings. It's about protecting someone's true intent. At Texas Probate Attorney, we help families evaluate whether influence crossed the legal line. If something doesn't sit right, the short conversation can help you understand your options. So call your Texas Probate Attorney today.